Welcome to the city of Manila in Metro Manila and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoyed this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The earliest signs of human habitation in the Philippines can be traced back over 600,000 years, as evidenced by the discovery of a fossil rhino skeleton. The presence of continuous settlement in the Manila area became more pronounced around 3000 BCE. Austronesian-speaking communities, considered the ancestors of present-day Filipinos, started establishing themselves in the region, engaging in activities such as fishing, hunting, agriculture, and trade. Manila Bay played a pivotal role as a trade and cultural exchange hub, where the Austronesian people traded with neighboring communities and cultures, fostering a dynamic exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies. Chinese, Indian, Malay, and Arab traders visited the Philippines, contributing to the cultural diversity of the region. Archaeological finds suggest the existence of Chinese artifacts indicating early trade connections. Pre-colonial Philippine societies were structured into barangays, independent communities with unique political and social systems. Each barangay was led by a datu, or local ruler, often part of a loose confederation responsible for maintaining order, settling disputes, and leading their people. Over time, Manila evolved into a walled Muslim settlement, with its ruler imposing customs duties on commerce passing through the Pasig River. The arrival of Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi in 1571 marked the onset of European colonization in Manila. Legazpi founded the city, asserting Spanish control over the Philippines. Spanish influence profoundly transformed the cultural, political, and economic landscape, with Intramuros, a walled city, becoming the focal point of Spanish colonial power. The city expanded beyond its walls, connecting market church complexes as it grew north, east, and south. The propagation of Roman Catholicism began with the arrival of Augustinian friar Andres de Urdaneta in 1571, followed by priests from various orders. Manila, authorized as the distinguished and ever-loyal city, became the center of Catholicism in the Philippines. Throughout its history, Manila faced threats and occupations by foreign powers, including Chinese invasion in 1574, Dutch raids in the mid-17th century, and British occupation in 1762 during the 7 Years' War. In the late 19th century, Manila became a focal point for anti-Spanish sentiment, leading to the execution of Filipino patriot Jose Rizal in 1896. The Spanish-American War in 1898 resulted in the defeat of the Spanish fleet at Manila Bay, leading to the city's surrender to U.S. forces. During World War II, Manila was declared an open city and later occupied by the Japanese in 1942. The city suffered significant damage during its recapture by U.S. forces in 1945. In 1946, Manila became the capital of the newly independent Republic of the Philippines. In 1976, it was reinstated as the capital and permanent seat of the national government.